Good morning, class 4 students, and I am back here again, your English teacher with a new English session. Before going to the board को अभी मत देखिए, just look at me because I want to talk to you. Yesterday's session, live session was very good. Around 40 of you participated, and I want everyone from class 4 A, B, C to participate, to log in and to please come on Google Classrooms. You have to be active there because now in few days we'll be more active with Google Classroom. Moreover, the assessments, the first UT like unit test will be available on Google Classroom. We'll be checking, we will be assessing you on that platform. So please, and those who have already participated in that live session, please do share your experience with your friends and do tell them, yes, you have to come on Google Classroom because it's good to interact. And I must tell you, I was so happy to see all of you, and I am very happy to see all are fine. And yeah, I was very happy to see you all. I really miss you, fourth class students. Because we spent so much of what should I say? It was so amazing to be with you students. And when I told you in the live session also, when we walk around the corridors in the school building, it felt like horrible because you made the school, you are the school, and you add life to the school. It's just a building without you. And I hope we will meet soon because okay, so it was great to see you there. And now moving on further, we have just had a little interaction in the live session. हमने कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं किया because I wanted everybody to participate, and then we'll start with the revision on live sessions. Today I'll be doing lesson number 2, the way to school. It's a literature chapter actually. Most of you have sent the reader books also in the school. It was not required. I have not checked it either. I'll not be checking the reader book. So don't question if it is unchecked. Okay. If today you are getting your bags back, so do read the chapter lesson number 2. I am not reading from the book. मैं book में से read बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I'll be just summarizing it for you. Okay, I'll be telling it as a story, and do listen to me carefully. Whenever you are reading, just take a pencil with you. Pencil हमेशा आपके पास होनी चाहिए, and underline the words. Whatever the word is, let it be the easiest word, let it be the difficult word, let it be the word which you cannot spell, pronunciate properly. So just underline it and ask for it. Okay. So the way to school, it's a chapter about you, students. Like the first chapter was also about you, the feelings we have, the English exam. It happened to me also. I had a nightmare about exams, that I have forgotten my stationery, I have forgotten my paperboard, I have forgotten to get up early, and I was late for the school. I couldn't enter the examination hall. It happens. So this chapter also defines the actual school life. It's about two siblings. It's Minnie and Vijay, brother and sister. Siblings means when they have a blood relation, like bhai behan. So it's about them, and they are alone. Their parents are out of town, and their uncle, father's brother, like chachu or whatever, tayaji, it can be elder or younger, I don't know. So in both the cases it is father's brother. So he came over means kisi ke paas aana, to visit somebody. So he's taking care of the children in place of the parents because they are out of the town. So in this chapter, basically, it comes in my, when I was reading the chapter, I just came into the thought that what if I ask you the way to school? अगर आपसे कोई स्कूल का रास्ता पूछे कि आपके स्कूल का क्या रास्ता है, what is the way to go to your school, how will you explain it? Keshav, I would like to acknowledge the new students. Fourth ABC, I want to let you be familiar with the new admissions. I am just getting some names. Tejas, Keshav, Shivanshi, Brinda, and who else? Uh-oh. Don't mind if I forgot your name, please, because it's more than 90 students. I am just taking few names, okay? And who else was there? Jeeval, okay, Jeeval is there. Okay, so I will be taking more names. So please welcome these students. मैंने आज से पहले कभी नहीं किया because I was like in live session में when you were all together, it felt like a class. उससे पहले हम मिले ही नहीं कभी, है ना ऐसे. So it's good, and every Monday we'll be doing it. और सबको आना है ना. So welcome to the class, and I hope you are good to go with the DPS. आप सब बहुत खुश लग रहे थे live session में, and Yes, it has to be like this. So now if I ask you the way to school, तो आप कैसे explain करेंगे? I want the answers. शिवांश, you may draw a road map. आप road map भी draw कर सकते हैं. You can just mark the signboards. You can have the landmarks. Landmarks are basically जो बड़ी famous buildings आती हैं on the way, वो आप mark कर सकते हैं. आन्या, you must be remember it because बहुत दिन हो गए हम स्कूल गए नहीं है मैम, हमें कैसे याद होगा. Okay, so come back. Whenever somebody asks the students what is the way to school, basically what they do is they just tell the route what the school bus follows. स्कूल बसेस का क्या रहता है, बिकॉज दे डोंट फॉलो द शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ. वो जल्दी से आपको स्कूल पहुंचाने के लिए स्कूल बसेस नहीं होती. दे हैव टू रोम अराउंड एंड टेक एंड पिक अप एवरीवन. वो आपकी नेबरहुड से, आपके सोसाइटी से जितने भी पॉसिबल स्टूडेंट्स उस बस की कैपेसिटी है, दे विल बी पिकिंग अप ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स एंड देन गोइंग टू द स्कूल. अगर आपको अपने पापा के साथ जाना हो, यू विल बी फॉलोइंग द शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ बिकॉज आपको किसी को पिक नहीं करना है ना. So in this chapter the children do the same because it comes in the chapter when they have to tell their uncle how to go to your school. So they take a left, then a right, then again a left, then a right, and the uncle said, we are on the same place where we started, so why didn't you tell me that turn left and there is the school? So the answer was, this is how the school bus goes and it is this way to school. So he was like smiling and yes, it comes in my when I read the chapter, मुझे भी यही लगा कि बच्चे तो ऐसे ही बताएंगे क्योंकि स्कूल बस ऐसे ही जाती है, वो थोड़ी ना उसको सीधा वहाँ स्कूल पहुँचा देती है. वो तो पहले बिकॉज दे वर टेलिंग द फ्रेंड्स नेम. अच्छा, दिस इज़ वेयर मोनू लिव्स, दिस इज़ वेयर शिखा लिव्स, दिस इज़ वेयर नेहा लिव्स, क्योंकि वो वहाँ से पिकअप करते जाते हैं. दीज आर द पिकअप पॉइंट्स. तो आप भी ऐसे बताओगे, बस पहले वहाँ जाती है, टेक्स अनिका, देन इट गोज टू हुड्डा सोसाइटी एंड इट टेक्स लाइक साक्षी एंड देन टेक्स पिकअप्स नव्या and then pick up Shrestha from I'm sorry Shrestha, I just forgot. GTM, you live in GTM, yeah, okay. So from GTM they'll pick Shrestha and then they go to the and they move on to the highway and then there's the school. So आप भी ऐसे बताएंगे. So let us discuss the chapter now. बहुत लंबा हो गया ना इंट्रोडक्शन. सो मैं सिर्फ आपको फेमिलियर कराना चाहती थी कि इस चैप्टर में हो क्या रहा है. मिनी एंड विजय दे आर अलोन एंड बिकॉज देयर पेरेंट्स आर आउट ऑफ टाउन, सो देयर फादर्स ब्रदर Uncle Anand came over to look after them. So they were leaving for school one day. Actually, Uncle Anand was a very exciting person. वो उनको नई नई चीज़ें बताते थे. He took them for a shoot, film shoot, which was being filmed by his friend. तो शूट पर लेके गए. He used to talk about different exciting things to them. वो बहुत एक्साइटिंग, उनको बेसिकली उनका मोटिव क्या था, टू मेक देम एंगेज, टू कीप देम एंगेज एंड टू कीप देम हैप्पी. बिकॉज व्हेन पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अराउंड तो बच्चे थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंट हो जाते हैं लाइक अपने पेरेंट्स के बिना. सो ही वॉज द बेस्ट पर्सन फॉर देम टू टेक केयर. So one day they were leaving for school and Uncle Anand said, okay, when you come back I'll be giving you a surprise. So they, आपको भी जब कोई बोल दे कि घर आओगे तो सरप्राइज मिलेगा, obviously you will not be able to go to school. आपको कि नहीं हम तो जाते ही नहीं, हमें अभी बताओ क्या सरप्राइज है. सो दे वर लाइक द सेम. मिनी एंड विजय सेड, अभी बताइए अंकल क्या सरप्राइज है. ही सेड, यू विल बी गेटिंग लेट फॉर स्कूल, आपकी वैन मिस हो जाएगी. गो, व्हेन यू कम बैक आई विल बी गिविंग यू सरप्राइज. सो दे जस्ट गो वेंट टू द बस स्टॉप एंड दे वर एक्चुअली लेट. One lady was standing there, their friend's mother, and she said, you have missed the bus. And they have missed the bus, so they started like worrying कि अब कैसे जाएंगे. So they went back to Uncle Anand and he said, okay, miss the school, कोई बात नहीं, we'll go to see vintage cars. Vintage cars देखने चलेंगे, आज का ऑफ ले लेते हैं. Okay, they were very happy to they were excited to see vintage, but suddenly it came in their mind like, Vijay, oh, I have a football match with 4th C. Meaning, I have a test in the school. So they were worried कि हम ये miss नहीं कर सकते. So then they opted, Uncle Anand said, okay, tell me the way to school, I'll drop you in the car. Then they sat in the car and they started moving towards the school. Then Uncle Anand was asking, do you know the way to school? Yes, we know it. We always notice the way to school. So they said first left and then other right. Here's where Monu lives. School bus always picks up Monu from here only. Then again left, then again right. Uncle Anand said, आई थिंक वी आर मूविंग अराउंड द सेम पोजिशन. उनको लग रहा था कि हम वहीं घूम रहे हैं, हम स्कूल नहीं जा रहे. एंड ही वॉज लाइक आई थिंक वी आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम द स्कूल. उनको कभी ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम स्कूल से दूर जा रहे हैं, स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं. बट द चिल्ड्रन वर सो श्योर कि नहीं अंकल यही रास्ता है. एंड देन अगेन अ लेफ्ट, अगेन अ राइट, एंड देन अ लास्ट टर्न एंड द स्कूल वॉज देयर. सो अंकल Anand said, it was the same place we were there, we started from. Why didn't you tell me that time only that uncle take this turn and the school will be here? Minnie and Vijay said, this is the way which school bus follows. So we did the same. Yes, children are so perfect to notice the things. वो इतने अच्छे से notice करते हैं, and they don't know the shortcuts. They don't know by this is what actually I wanted to explain. बच्चों के साथ क्या होता है, what they feel, what they experience, उनके लिए वही फिक्स हो जाता है. फिर उसकी उस चीज़ की चाहे 100 अलग तरीके हो दुनिया में, वो नहीं अपनाएंगे. उनके लिए वही सही है जो उनकी शायद उनको रोज़ एक्सपीरियंस होता है या उनको सिखाया जाता है ना. So children are so sweet, they are so soft. Not by like I'm not about touching, I'm saying soft. Yeah, you are so young and you will be like cute, but soft in the sense they can be molded in any way, and they are so honest, so honest and innocent. Okay, so this was about the way to school. और इससे बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको रीडिंग पे ही मिलेंगी. So do read the chapter, it is your homework. Read chapter number 2, the way to school. And I'll be giving you the characters Minnie, Vijay, and Uncle Anand. So these are the 3 characters in this chapter. So read the chapter. Tomorrow we'll be following the exercises. I will add a clip. I have added a clip actually. So do watch it. It will make the chapter more easier to understand. Okay. So bye bye from my side.